was that? We're looking for appetizers to take to my sister's house tonight for Christmas party.
It doesn't say.
Is it this one? $7.68? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get a shrimp ring.
Wait. That's better.
That's too many.
No, it's not. There's a ton of people.
There's like 10 people.
That's a ton. I could eat this by myself.
Okay. All right. Not both, just the big one.
I know. You forget though, I could eat a whole shrimp ring.
Yep. All right.
For kids fat.
What else do we need?
Picture frame.
Okay. All right, now we're looking for hostess gift for my sister. All right, guys, let me show you what we picked up at Walmart. We just went there to get this, essentially. I wanted a little appetizer or something to take to my sister's house for the Christmas party that she's having at her house tonight. It's just like low-key. She's doing meatballs, we're doing appetizers, that sort of thing. So I got a shrimp ring. It says 65 shrimp. Robbie drew a picture for my sister a while ago, and keep meaning to get it to her, and we haven't seen her in a while, so he bought this frame to put the picture in to give to her. Got a couple of bottles of wine to take over there. The Moscato is my favorite, and this I haven't tried before, but look at how beautiful the bottle is. I've heard good things about it, so hopefully it's good. The Apothic Crush. And then I picked up these little mini cupcakes to serve at the party as well, and these ones are on sale. So that's it. That's everything we picked up. Oh no, I also got some tampons, and we each got a soda. We're going to get this stuff put away. We're going to clean up the house, and we're going to get ready for the party. Remember when I told you guys that I was going to order a new tripod because I couldn't find that piece? I still haven't found it. I know eventually I will, but it doesn't hurt for me to have a backup tripod anyway. I went ahead and ordered this little guy. It's just a really inexpensive, cheap, like, I don't know how tall it gets or how sturdy it is once it's extended all the way, but even if it's like really, really wobbly, I can always just set it up on a tabletop to do like quick filming sessions. I think this will be perfect. It was from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. Did you find the piece?
Yeah.
When?
It was right next to the tripod.
I wonder if your dad found it and put it there with the tripod.
You bought that for nothing.
No, it's still nice to have a backup, to have it.
Didn't even look.
It's still nice to have a backup, to have, you know, a smaller one, because that one's really huge. This folds up really nicely. It has a little bag. It's from Amazon Basics. It was 12 bucks or something on a sale, so I think it's going to work out great. And even though apparently the piece for my tripod showed up after all, it's still nice to have. Let me show you guys how large it is compared to this one. So there you can see my original tripod is humongous, and this is just a little guy, so it'll be nice to have either option. Sometimes you just need a little guy, so pretty psyched about that. And then, like I said, it did come with a little carrying case, which will make it nice for like traveling, or if I'm taking my camera with me somewhere where I need to take photos or video. I think it's going to work out great. So now I've got 2 tripods. I have not vlogged hardly at all today. Sorry about that, you guys. We've just been busy. We are headed out to my sister's house for a Christmas party. I think I've said like 6 times that we have that today. And I won't be vlogging there either, just because it's, you know, family time. So this vlog's probably pretty short. It is what it is. Anyways, the reason I picked up the camera was to show you guys that it looks like I have some very boozy children in the back here, because I've got the bottles of wine I'm taking to my sister's, and we put them in the cup holder back there to keep them from breaking. So I've got my boys and the wine. Looks a little suspicious, but don't worry, they're not having any. So that's what I wanted to show you. I just thought that was funny. So I have my grocery list that I wrote up a few days ago for everything that we need for our Christmas holiday, our little Christmas Eve dinner that we're going to make, and a few baked treats and stuff that we're going to make. So Eric and I are going to take off here in a few to go and procure all of these ingredients. we're gonna go to a local meat market near us. We're also going to probably either go to Kroger or Walmart to pick up everything that we need to throw a delicious Christmas Eve dinner together. Eric is going hunting a little bit later, but for now, he and I are going to take off and take care of this. While we are gone, we're going to put the kiddos in charge of tidying up the house and getting stuff cleaned up, working on some laundry, because they don't want to go shopping with us. So, we're going to divide and conquer, take care of everything we need to take care of, because the clock is ticking. It's almost Christmas, guys, just a few more days. So, that is the plan for this Saturday. Alright, you guys, we are here at Walmart with everyone else in the entire world. Of course, the weekend before Christmas. I don't know what I was expecting. I kind of was expecting a madhouse. But we got our little list. I got this guy here with me. Say hi, baby. We're going to go in and get everything we need for the holiday, right?
Yep, for dinner. And
hopefully we can keep our patience and not be in there for 4.5 hours, especially since you want to be out in the woods by 2:30, right? And it's
if I can, but
12:30 now. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Usually 3.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's go fight these crowds. Ready?
Yep.
All right. Wish us luck, guys. All right, friends. So we were able to get just about everything we needed to get on our list from Walmart. We had a ton of groceries in the back, but there's a couple things we could not get at Walmart. So we're gonna go into Meijer, which we never ever shop at Meijer except around this time of year. We're gonna look in there for a prime rib because they had some at Walmart but not a huge selection of sizes, so we're hoping Meijer will be the ticket. But first, Eric just ran into Wendy's behind me to pick up some lunch because we haven't eaten yet, and it's 1:30, so we're gonna have a quick lunch right here in the Wendy's parking lot and then head over to Meijer to hopefully finish up our shopping. Alright, you guys, there's a look at all of the bags we just brought in from Walmart and Meijer. We got a ton of stuff. I'm going to film a separate grocery haul, so be on the lookout for that. But, you guys, this is a whole lot of food. Wow. We spent like $185. Yikes. Robbie's getting himself ready for his soccer game. It's the last soccer game of the indoor season.
Yep, so I don't care if I look dumb.
He's wearing these ugly green socks that I hate so much, but
You bought them for him.
I bought them for him when he first started playing soccer 3 years ago. He was much shorter then. They're a little too short for him now. But
I just don't care.
That's what he wants to wear. I guess they're
what I can
festive
find
for the holidays. But after that, we are going to go drive around, look at Christmas lights, get some hot chocolates.
Yay!
So we're very excited about that. Are you excited about your last game?
Yep. I'm gonna win.
Alright.
At least one of these games we have to win.
You guys won a couple.
No, we didn't.
Oh, yeah.
There was one that you guys won.
No, we won against our other team.
And you won against
won
somebody
one.
else, too. It was like 8-1 or something.
You dominated one round.
So, are you ready? We'll be able to spot him
I'm
on the
bright.
field very easily with those bright socks.
More than one.
Nice job, Robbie.
Come on, Greg, go. Stay with it,
Yeah.
Greg, go.
Yes, we know. I know.
And every single time it was anywhere near there, so it's the same person. Screaming.
Well, it's the keeper that's screaming.
No,
Yeah,
that's
it's
not what I'm
Anthony.
talking about.
Get it, Robbie.
Get it.
Oh.
2 medium hot chocolates and 2 coffees.
Yes.
You're not getting hot chocolate.
Peppermint.
Yeah.
2 medium peppermint hot chocolates. And yeah, a medium 4 cream and a medium 4 and 2.
Look at how beautiful that is. We're driving around looking at Christmas lights. We do this every year. One of our favorite traditions, and it doesn't cost a thing. If you don't already do this with your family, I highly recommend it. We just stopped and got some coffee. Well, the kids got hot chocolate. Eric and I got coffee. And now we are driving around looking for lights. This street's kind of dark. But there's some over here. We're gonna turn on some Christmas music, drive around and enjoy, and that is going to be how we end our night.